If your Chevy Traverse has a black screen and won't start, you're likely dealing with a specific electrical failure we can fix. Statistically, 85% of these total power loss symptoms trace back to simple battery or grounding issues. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit before you call a tow truck. Start by checking your battery voltage and ensuring the terminals are tight and free of corrosion. A blown infotainment or BCM fuse can cause the black screen effect even if the engine has enough juice to crank. Commonly, the G107 ground strap on the Traverse frame rusts out, cutting power to the dash and starter. Compare your symptoms. A dead battery usually clicks, while a body control module failure results in total silence. Most fixes are affordable, like a new battery or fuse, but a full module replacement can be pricey. Try a hard reset by disconnecting the negative terminal for 15 minutes to reboot the vehicle computers. You only need a few basic tools like a 10mm socket and a multimeter to solve this at home. Remember to always verify the health of your battery before assuming you have an expensive computer failure. If this guide helped you get your Chevy Traverse back on the road, hit that subscribe button for more fixes.